See down there at the bottom, all that water? It's coming from this side. Here, there's the trench. Here, it's just so saturated. It comes right down. Phew, the whole thing gets soggy. Phew, that's tough work. Look. If I got the water going, it comes down all the way down there. That is flowing for sure. Otherwise, it was just sitting in my lawn. It even looks pretty. It's all cleared out now, and you can see like down the stones and everything. And there it is, getting off the hill. Well, look at that river, for crying out loud.